What advice do you have for someone who's in my position who wants to get to yours?
Step one, systemize everything. Absolutely the next step. Like, it doesn't matter what it is, write a process for it. 2, hand that process over to a virtual assistant or somebody else that can run it. If you get your time free and you don't have to be really messed with all of the day-to-day little BS, you can go to the next level because you can spend more time doing the activities that generate the most income for you. That's really where most people get tripped up. And what I found is, for me, and when I coach somebody, when you don't have, if somebody's working 80 hours a week, they're not stuck doing, well, I was doing this for 4 hours on Monday, and then for 5 hours I was doing this on Tuesday. It's 15 minutes. I got to go do this for 15. I got to go do that spreadsheet and put that data. Hey, I got to go, look at this offer. Hey, it's 15-minute slices. It's death by little slices. It's not the big, hey, so, it's just not. So people fool themselves into thinking, well, I've got this under control. Well, no, it doesn't matter how small the task is. Write a system, write a process, hand it off to a VA, let it automate itself.
Yeah.
That's it. That's the secret.
And that advice right there is next level. I agree, Dylan. Thank you so much, Matt.
Thank you so much for tuning into this episode of the Winning Move Podcast. I hope it helps you make all the right moves in your life and business. Please make sure to go like and subscribe on any podcast platform that you're listening to. And make sure to go follow me on Instagram @StratDaddy. Thank you guys so much. I'll talk to you soon.